Hello everyone. Today I want to talk to you about the difference between posted labor rate and effective labor rate and what causes such a big difference. Now we all know that the posted labor rate is what we have posted for our customers. We have a posted labor rate of $200. An effective labor rate is now what we effectively capture. We don't always sell it at $200. Now what you should be striving for in every situation is an effective labor rate equal to 85% of your posted labor rate. So if your posted labor rate is $200, then we want your effective labor rate to be $170. Now, there are numerous reasons why an effective labor rate can be low. You could be a high maintenance store. Maybe you have a lot of warranty work. But the number one reason why effective labor rates are low is because of discounting. Service advisors discount their services. And here's the ironic thing about it. Most customers that come in for service that need some sort of repair don't perceive that they're going to get a discount off the repair. When they go to the tire shop, when they go to an automotive center, they typically don't discount it. They have a menu, they tell you what things cost, and we go with those numbers. But in our dealerships, we've gotten into this habit of discounting. And it's amazing. When we do customer surveys and we ask them about the discounting, most of them stated they didn't even know they could get a discount. So as a service advisor or as a service manager, we need to focus now on selling the value of the repair. The best way to sell the value is to talk in layman's terms. Let the customer know what you're talking about. Show them, whether it be pictures, a video, actually taking them to the car. The more the customer understands what needs to be done, why it needs to be done, and how it's going to be done, and the time involved in getting it done, they will understand what the fee is and what that charge represents. So let's focus on getting our effective labor rate up to 85% of our posted labor rate, and then we will all be more profitable.
Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.